So what are you going to do with all those lovely Thanksgiving leftovers this year? Are you just going to plunk them down without fanfare on the kitchen table? Or do you really want to make them shine, turn them into fabulous encores instead of plain old leftovers? Well, that's just what I thought. So I'm holding a class this coming Sunday called Thanksgiving Bestovers. Cute, huh? All about how to make those leftovers extra special this year. Now, being the Pie Academy and all, you might guess that one of the dishes I have planned is the leftovers pot pie. And you'd be close. We're actually going to make it a little easier on you and do leftover hand pies. And since you've got the run of the fridge for the filling, you can let your inner leftovers artist run wild. And make plenty of gravy because you're going to need it. Next, how about a spicy turkey and pumpkin chili? This hearty stew is a real grab bag of veggies and black beans and leftover turkey and pumpkin puree with a spicy southwestern vibe. You can throw it all together on Friday and enjoy it all weekend long. Finally, we'll take that mountain of leftover mashed potatoes you've got in the fridge and turn it into a quick potato souffle that's flavored with sharp cheddar cheese and bacon. Oh, it is so good. You can whip it up in minutes, serve it for dinner, and even breakfast the next day. So there you have it, leftovers nirvana for Thanksgiving weekend and frankly, for all winter long when you've got the goods. You'll find the sign-up links below, and don't forget, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in class.